Okay, I'm gonna intro kung ano yung pag-uusapan natin today. Eto na. According sa worklife.news, isa sa tatlong Gen Z ang naniniwalang makakahanap sila ng love life sa workplace. Kaya ang topic natin today is love in the workplace. Trabaho lang ba o pwedeng may konting landian?
Sabi, bagong-bago yung tanong na yan.
Yes, bagong-bago!
Bagong-bago.
Yeah!
Landian talaga
Okay,
yung word.
so, quick show of hands. Sino ba sa atin yung nagkaroon na ng relationship, situationship, or may nakadate, kahit gaano pa ka-casual sa work? 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow!
Wala? I love!
Nakilala ko bago magtrabaho. So,
Tsaka gusto ko yung may note talaga dito sa guide na umamin. Gusto ko
Totoo
yung...
ba, Hailey? Totoo?
yes.
What?
Yeah.
Tsaka madami din sa ano natin, sa
Paano mo
triggered
ginawa?
prod natin na wala. Slay.
Maging proud kayo sa akin. Oh my God. But sige, dahil ako yung wala, ask ko muna kayo. Like,
Okay.
how did it happen to you? Like your experience. Kung gusto mo mag-name drop, okay lang din.
How did it happen? I mean,
Oh, how many times did it happen? That's my first question.
a couple...
A couple of times, but
okay. I think na, I'm just gonna say na, like most of the people, I haven't dated a lot, but most of the people I've dated, it's because they were in close proximity to me. So whether it be school or yun nga sa work, so puro ganon. So
well, I
gets ko yung-
remember the last time that I guested here sa Triggered, we were both in the same situation where we felt like na hindi kami masyadong out there when we were younger.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Remember? So I was really intrigued when I learned today na you have experienced it. That's why I
Sa
want to know. Yeah,
workplace.
sa workplace.
I think nga, yun nga yung parang pinaka...
Reason.
No, I think yun yung pinaka-safe and pinaka-basic. Kasi lagi mo yung nakikita,
Nakikita,
hindi ako
nakakasama.
nagkaroon ng yung organic encounter na as in, well, hindi ko kilala yung person
Ay, hindi kakilala ko
at
sa
all.
pila eh. No?
Yeah.
Diba? Wala akong ganun.
Wow.
Wala akong ganun. Lahat is, meron na akong prior na parang knowledge
Yes.
or friend of a friend siya.
Correct.
So, medyo alam mo na konti na safe ka naman.
Pareho tayo. Ganyan din ako. Like, I don't really parang like it kung hindi ko kakilala yung i-date ko. That's why I don't like it when like someone just message me asking me to go on a date. I don't like it like that. Gusto ko kilala ko muna siya.
Parang you need mutuals.
Yeah,
Kaya nga,
ganon.
it's surprising.
Yes.
Kaya it's surprising in your case that you haven't dated someone from work. Kasi Matik, yung mga ka-work mo, yun yung talagang,
Oo, yun yung
Matik,
kaibigan mo
kilala
na
mo
eh.
na, yun na yung dating pool mo, di ba?
Malay
Oo.
mo, wala siyang ka-mutual sa... Okay.
No, no, no.
Okay,
Kasi
I got you. Ako bahala sa'yo. Ako bahala sa'yo.
Okay, so sasabihin ko yung sa akin. Yung sa akin kasi, so, so, di ba, nakilala ko siya without even working with him yet. And then, naging kami, and then we worked together. So, ganun siya. Yung, naging friends muna kami bago kami maging workmates. Ganun
Naging
siya.
friends muna kayo.
Kasi-
bago maging workmates.
Pero this person also works in the same...
Industry. Pero hindi naging kami because we worked together. Naging kami because we were, okay, naging colleague. Okay, sige, taas ko na yung kamay ko.
Oh, sige.
Taas ko na.
Kasi ka-work mo pa din siya technically.
Yeah, technically, because we were
Still
in the same circle. Yeah, correct, correct.
Pero di
correct.
kulong.
Oo nga. Okay,
So,
okay. Yeah.
you almost got us there. Pero gets ko naman.
Yeah,
Gets ko
right.
yung, yung
Oo.
distinction. O kayo naman.
Kasi,
Go ask.
how many times did it happen to you?
How
What do
many
you
times
mean?
eh?
Is this like...
Or it doesn't or you don't have to answer that. Like, anong share ninyo about yun
Yeah.
nga, yung dating within the workplace?
Within the
Or dating a
workplace.
colleague?
I think...
Do you think natural na mangyayari talaga yung mga ganung bagay dahil nga lagi kayong magkasama?
For
Or
me,
bakit siya madalas
I
mangyari?
think for me
no?
personally, it's a big gamble on my end ha. Kasi I take relationships seriously. I'm not really the type na parang, okay, after you,
Yeah.
you, di naman ako ganon. Anyways,
Oh, bakit ang tingin na ganon?
Sorry.
Hindi naman siya ganon.
Hindi naman ako
So,
ganon.
I'm not that kind of person. personally, nothing wrong with it, but that's just not my
Yeah.
cup of tea. So, ayun, meaning to say na it's a gamble is because yun nga, di ba close proximity is because you're there, it's convenient na I see you every day and all that stuff. But what would happen if our routine changed? What if we don't work
Yeah.
together anymore? What if, I moved here, blah, blah, blah. Would you still make the effort to see me? Would you still, alam mo yun? So, ayun, gamble lang. But at the same time, I guess if tuloy-tuloy na kayo, di, I guess she's the one, ayun.
Yeah.
Simple as that, period. Pero, I mean, if it's for fun, go girl, get it, have fun,
Actually,
go. Live, love, laugh, you know?
Ikaw,
Right,
Vince,
Vince?
anong masashare mo
Pataas-taas
sa
ka ng kilay dyan, ha?
Oo nga, bakit? Is there a problem with my answer?
Na-experience ko din yan yung sa work. Yung ma-in love ko sa work, ganyan. Kasi wala, mahirap talaga kasi like invested tayo sa emotions natin kapag kunwari. I mean, hindi ko ginagawang excuse yung yung work ka. Pero madadala, alam mo yun, madadala ka din talaga eh. Sa after work, ganyan.
So, para sa'yo, like, mahirap talaga yung strictly trabaho lang
Interesting.
Dati ako, nahirapan ako.
when you were younger. Gets?
Oo. May nahihirapan ako i-distinguish yung, alam mo,
Kung ano yung trabaho at ano
personal.
yung parang totoo na to. Parang,
parang
gets.
ganun. Nahihirapan ako nung simula. Pero, ngayon, parang chill na lang naman.
It comes with age.
Yeah.
Pero I don't
Parang
think
feeling
so
ko
it comes with
maturity
age
din
because
talaga.
a lot of people in our industry,
Yeah.
Even though,
diba?
diba,
Yeah.
medyo senior na
yeah,
gets.
even medyo senior na nagiging sila pa. Or, guys, very rampant ang cheating.
Yes.
Honestly.
sa
Honestly.
industry natin because of course sabi nga nila in this industry we're legally cheating to our partners. If for example meron kang kapartner and then meron kang ibang trabaho, you have to
Yeah.
kiss that guy. You have to-
Yeah.
pero ang excuse mo, it's just work. So
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
not cheating. So sabi nga nila, this is legally cheating. Kasi even though you're acting, you're doing
Yeah.
it real
Doing
time.
something.
Diba?
Yeah.
So mahirap din talaga, like our minds and our hearts, mahirap din talaga i-distinguish like, oh my God, shocks, naghahalikan kami, kikiligin ka or may mararamdaman
Ano ba?
ka.
Parang for me, it's so easy to...
No, there are a
Ever
lot of
since
people
though,
who...
for me, personally, ever since, it's been so easy to separate the two.
Have you ever tried kissing someone in
Ay,
the...
oh my gosh. What do you mean? Like, wait, like...
No, in like
Sa
sa work.
For a scene or
Yes.
You did.
Pero na-cut out sa ano.
Oh my God, hindi ko alam
Yeah.
to.
Oh, it's the first time I said it.
Yeah.
Oh, well, surprise!
Surprise!
Siya yun.
Siya yun. Yung nasa
out.
picture?
No, wait.
Pero wala ka naramdaman after the kiss.
No.
Same. I did. And yung sa akin, it was a French kiss. And that was my
okay.
first.
Weh?
Yes,
mine
and
was
then
not...
12 takes. And matagal
Wow.
siya. 12? Yeah. Different angles. And then weirdly, akala ko siya, sabi ko, shocks, kinakabahan ako, baka ma-in love ako or may maramdaman ako. Because he's the second guy that I'll ever kissed in my life. So, kissing. Tapos pagkatapos nun, cut, wala rin. Yeah, so meron talaga mga tao na nai-in love.
Feeling ko din
Meron mga hindi
nasa
din.
lalaki din kung ano yung intentions nila kapag nasa set. Gets mo?
Oh.
Na
As a
parang-
girl, kaya kong
Oo nga. I mean, minsan, nasa girl pa din, pero ang una naman nagbibigay ng parang signal is guy.
Guy.
Okay.
Diba? Hindi naman girl yung unang gumagawa ng first move eh.
Oo.